Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to get the most out of Pro V3 from SMRT Algo and how to build a simple, effective trading strategy by enabling and combining the right features inside the indicator. Right now I've got Pro V3 loaded on my chart using the default settings. By default, Pro V3 only shows you buy and sell signals with the sensitivity set to 2 and nothing else. This is intentional. It keeps the chart clean and lets you build your strategy step by step instead of being overwhelmed right away. Now let's go into the settings and turn on the features we actually need. The first thing I'm going to enable is the dashboard. Once this is turned on, you'll see a panel that shows the trend on higher time frames. This is extremely important because it tells you what the market is doing in the bigger picture. Instead of guessing whether you're trading with or against the trend, the dashboard makes it very clear. If higher time frames are bullish, we focus on longs. If they're bearish, we focus on shorts. This alone filters out a lot of bad trades. Next, I'm going to turn on the trend ribbon. When enabled, the ribbon appears directly on the chart and helps you visually follow momentum. It works as a trend confirmation tool and keeps you aligned with the dominant direction. When the ribbon is bullish, we only look for buy signals. When it's bearish, we only look for sell signals. This keeps the strategy simple and prevents counter-trend trading. Now we enable market structure, including change of character and break of structure. Once this is on, Pro V3 automatically marks structure shifts on the chart. You no longer need to manually guess where structure breaks happen. This gives us context. If we're getting buy signals while bullish structure is holding, that's exactly what we want. If structure starts breaking against the trend, that's a warning sign to be cautious. With these features enabled, the signals start making a lot more sense. Pro V3's buy and sell signals are not meant to be taken blindly. They work best when they appear in the direction of the trend, with structure and momentum supporting them. For example, right here we can see the dashboard shows bullish higher time frame trend. The trend ribbon is bullish. Market structure is holding higher lows. Then a buy signal prints after a pullback. This is a high quality setup. On the other hand, you'll notice sell signals that appear during this bullish move. We ignore them completely. They're counter trend, higher risk, and unnecessary. Another feature worth enabling is the automatic take profit system. When turned on, Pro V3 plots logical target levels based on market structure and volatility. This means you're no longer guessing where to exit. So now when a buy signal appears with trend and structure confirmation, you already know where to enter, where to take profits. This turns every trade into a complete plan. So the strategy becomes very straightforward. First, check the dashboard to understand the higher time frame trend. Second, confirm the trend ribbon aligns with that direction. Third, make sure market structure is supporting continuation. Finally, take buy or sell signals only in the direction of the trend. For example, here we're clearly in a bullish environment. Price pulls back, structure holds, and a buy signal appears. We enter the trade, manage risk below the recent structure, and let price move toward the projected take profit zone. Later on, when the market turns bearish, the logic flips. We stop taking buys and only focus on sell signals that align with the new trend and structure. This method works because it's not trying to predict the market. It's reacting to what price is already doing, but in a structured, objective way. Pro V3 removes a lot of human error. No guessing the trend, no drawing structure late, no emotional entries. Instead, you're following a repeatable process. Trend first, structure second, signals last. If you're struggling with over-analysis or inconsistency, Pro V3 helps by simplifying your workflow. You're not relying on one signal alone. You're combining context, confirmation, and execution. If you want to try Pro V3 for yourself, click the link in the description. Enable the features step by step, test the strategy, and see how much clearer your trading becomes. Hopefully this walkthrough helped, and I'll see you in the next one.